Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another shave. Yeah, afternoon. I got last for it. Breaking the habit. I wasn't gonna shave, but since I'm having issues shaving in the morning, I'm gonna switch it to afternoons and see. These 2 days of growth. For today, we're gonna be using on Ya from BBS Soap. It's inspired. The name comes from a goddess, fairy goddess or something like that. I looked it up a while ago, so I forgot. But anyway, the scent is inspired by Carolina Herrera 2012, I think. Anyway, I'll put it on the description. It smells really good. It smells really good. Really good. Of course, I'm gonna be using the matching splash. I don't know why I'm too far. Matching splash. For the brush, I'm gonna be using my Oumo Red Flame or something like that is the name. ST1 knot already loaded, and I use the spot prints, the Great Bear bowl to make it a little bit. I didn't work it all the way. It looks kind of airy. I'm not gonna add too much water to my face, but we'll see. If not, I pick up more, so it's not the end of the world. For the razor, I'm gonna be using the Apex Titanium with a fourth use Gillette Silver Blue. So it's gonna be good. But for some reason, it's really hot in here. Now let's see how it goes. Is BBS is Chronos, right? No, this is Hermes base. I really enjoy the Hermes base. No, don't drop. I really enjoy the Hermes base. So hope everybody's doing well. Today is Thursday, my day off. Already tasting soap. It's my day off. And I've just been doing errands all day on the morning. Then sat down, talked to Chris a little bit, Brian, and I'm like, I want to shave, but I don't know if I want to shave. You know, I'm like, let's shave. Let's change it to afternoon and see what happens. I can change it anyway afterwards. It's not the end of the world. No reason to complicate things. No, don't drop the lather. Lather is good. This is one of my favorite scents of the last batch that I bought. It's a really nice scent. Which one was the other one? Was Kaido Rose and Armageddon. Because I love peach. I love peach. But this one is really nice too. I mean, technically the lather looks nice, but I still kind of see that it's kind of airy. I need to practice my bowl lathers a lot. I've been enjoying too much face lathering, and I need to update my technique on bowl lather because I want it to be at the same level as the face lather. Funny how things have changed, because I was mainly a bowl lather, and nothing wrong with it. I got great shape with it, but then you start playing around with the lather and like, oh, this one is better. I enjoy it more. Also, sorry for the noise. My neighbors are trimming trees and they are making, you might hear noises. Also, I got the Hanami set that's gonna be for the next shave with a new razor, the 34C, and see if that razor works for me. I'm pretty sure it will. Just to see. It's like, it looks great. Looks great, but I still kind of think that it looks hairy. Yeah, it doesn't look bad, but my face lathers tend to look more wet. And I tend to drown my bowl lathers if I go too far. But it looks good. It looks good. I just want it to look better. Cause yeah, he's doing the keys. He's kind of looking wet. So it's not a bad lather at all, but I just want to look better. It's still gonna be a great shave. It's gonna be a great shave. Have a mess everywhere. Also got a new brush also, but you have to wait until I use it to see it. Actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw it already. It is the moon brush handle. Look at that! Oh my god! So far, I don't know what I have for tomorrow. Work related, but I know routes is kind of lame, according to the dispatch on Friday. So I might have maybe 2 routes, maybe a field work. But we're trying to divide the work in 2 drivers, just so everybody gets hours. And they're trying to, well, we're trying to plan to, leave the fuels for the second driver, the night driver, which was my shift originally. But I'm looking for consistency, so I'm staying on day shift. I have a better chance of working more hours now. If fuel was running like it was before, yeah, I would do more hours working fuel. Because that's pretty much 12 hours easy every day. The problem is when truck driver working that many hours, for example, night shift, when I was doing 3 fuels, I finished my shift like at 1, 2 in the morning. Now imagine having a breakdown at that time, at that hour. It sucks. Because most of the time it's hard to get somebody at that time. Depends on where you at, but sometimes it's really hard and it takes hours to get somebody to go change the tire or whatever broke, if it is fixable. If not, find a tow company. But there was one time that I made it back here, make home at 8 in the morning. So it could suck. Did I make myself? No. Not yet. Coming soon. I see. Yeah, see you, Nick. Yeah, I'm trying to take my time, man. Well, not take my time, but watch my pressure. And the funny thing is, I felt nothing. Nothing. Oh yeah, Hermes base is good. Very good. One of my favorite bases from what I have experienced yet. Let's add some water. See. This is quite a lot. It's probably the last or second to last pass, so can play around a little bit. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. The Apex Titanium is a pretty good razor, but I prefer the aluminum. If I were to compare between the three. Ironically, between the three, the titanium is for me, the least smoothest out of them. Stainless steel, I believe, is the smoothest one. And I had the Beat Blast one, which is funny because Beat Blast is not famous for being smooth. But it was a really smooth razor. But I started leaning towards lighter razors and preferring titanium or aluminum. Or lighter stainless steel razors like the Carbon, the Goat. This one has the kind of the suction feeling, which I don't mind because I like it. I like the winning razor from Yates, which has the same feeling. I didn't cut that pimple. Couple of nicks, wasn't that bad compared to how much I've been nicking myself lately. I didn't do much. Let's clean the face. Now, unfortunately, regarding the scent, I don't have the notes. I'm gonna put it on the description, but I went nose blank. Nose blank completely. If I were smart, I would have stopped buying sets and just buying the splashes. But clearly I am not, so. Take the splash. It was a nice shave. Great residual thickness. The Hermes base is... I was talking to Chris and we're even debating if the Hermes feels better post shave than the Kronos. There you go. Because the Hermes base performs really, really good. I cannot tell you what it is, but it smells nice. I'm gonna put the description in the description. I put the scent notes. I left one spot here, but anyway, I'm gonna shave tomorrow, hopefully. So it doesn't really matter. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great afternoon.